Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our Messier community. My name is Stacy, and I'm here to give the weekly update for the week of September 29th to October 3rd, 2025. Before I begin, please note everything shared here is for informational and educational purposes only. Always do your own research, and with that, let's begin. We have a dev update for you because we've been creating orders on mobile smoother and optimized wallet redirecting for every scenario and strengthened wallet connections for QR codes, external wallets, and seamless switching between chain networks. So please go ahead and enjoy P2P trading with zero switch and zero token tax. I wanted to take this time to share with you a development update of our first successful project in the Innovator Hub. We're building Deep Sky, which is a dApp to buy, sell, and rent real estate fully in crypto with blockchain-based titles and digital agreements. We've written a very comprehensive Medium article, which I'll be going through with you. Deep Sky Initiative was the first winner of our Innovator Hub. Messier's Innovator Hub turns community ideas into live products within our ecosystem, and holders can submit proposals, and then the community votes gasless. Messier builds, and the originator earns 30% of net revenue. Deep Sky Initiative is the first winning project, and it brings real estate on chain through real world asset tokenization with compliance at the core and data that updates in real time. This is what Deep Sky will deliver. Deep Sky will make property ownership more accessible, liquid, and data driven, and it will start in the UAE, where a progressive regulatory environment supports tokenized ownership. Properties are structured through compliant SPVs and converted into tradable digital shares. Each share maps to a dynamic NFT powered by Chainlink. Oracle's NFTs update with valuation, rental yields, occupancy, and market insights so investors can really see a living asset rather than a static record. Deep Sky will integrate within our ecosystem so users can trade tokenized assets with crypto rails, increasing liquidity, activity, and engagement. The UAE is the launch pad, and the architecture is designed for global scale as regulations mature in other markets. Regarding our product design and architecture, user experience is really important, and we've mapped the full journey from onboarding to browsing tokenized properties, placing trades, and tracking rental income dashboards. Our user interface is clean, intuitive, and has a mobile friendly design that works for both crypto native and traditional users. We are defining the technical foundation, smart contract structure, marketplace logic, Chainlink Oracle integrations, NFT metadata design, and data handling layers. Compliance by design incorporate AML, anti-money laundering, and KYC flows, SPV structuring, and UAE licensing requirements directly into the product experience. Now let's talk about the core development. The technical team plans to build the foundation of Deep Sky through smart contracts, which are ERC20 contracts for fractional ownership tokens, dynamic NFTs tied to property data, and escrow and payout automation. Marketplace engine is P2P trading infrastructure, liquids for tokenized assets, wallet integration for MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others. Chainlink oracles and data feeds have offer real-time valuation, rental income, occupancy, and market signals, redundancy layers to handle unreliable or delayed sources. With regard to the back-end admin panel, we'll have tools for property onboarding, SPV management, and NFT metadata update, reporting dashboards for legal compliance and financial monitoring. Regarding the legal and compliance framework parallel track, because Deep Sky operates in a regulated real world asset environment, legal structuring advances alongside development. And so we are securing the appropriate VARA or SCA licenses in the UAE for token issuance and marketplace operations. We're setting up SPVs per property to ensure enforceable ownership rights, building AML and KYC systems aligned with UAE expectations. We are drafting legally enforceable agreements that bridge tokens, NFTs, and underlying property rights. We're really engaging UAE based legal advisors to guide cross jurisdiction expansion strategy. With regards to testing and quality assurance, before any public rollout, we are carrying out multiple testing layers with our internal QA, security audit, a closed beta with one or two to buy properties to validate token issuance, trading, and rental income flows with early adopters, and stress testing, where we will simulate heavy trading activity to validate scalability and uptime. Regarding our launch and scaling strategy, the foundation is proven and secure. We're going to move to a market rollout. The first phase will be a UAE pilot launch where we'll tokenize a focused set of premium properties, invite early adopters and crypto native investors, integrate Chainlink oracles for real time NFT updates. Now, phase two will be our global expansion, where we're going to partner with real estate firms in other crypto friendly jurisdictions. With regards to marketing growth, we're going to build strategic partnerships with property developers and influencer networks. We're also going to have continuous monitoring and iteration, where we can monitor platform performance, liquidity, and trading volumes. We can expand data integrations and valuation models for more accurate dynamic NFTs. We will be introducing insurance wrappers and DeFi integration, such as collateralized lending on token properties. And we will scale towards multi-region property onboarding based on demand and licensing availability. Now, how about the timeline? Phase one, product design and architecture, will take around 8 to 10 weeks. The core development, which is our phase two, will occur in the 10th and 14th week. Phase three, legal and compliance setup, we will be doing that in parallel with development. We estimate that the testing and audits will take approximately 4 weeks, and then we'll go into phase five with our pilot launch in UAE between quarter one and quarter two of 2026. With regards to our final phase, phase six, where we're going to be scaling and having global expansion, you can expect that in Q3 2026 onward. Now, please note that these durations are estimates and may complete faster based on team velocity, resources, and regulatory clearance. And why does this matter? Well, real estate remains one of the largest global asset classes, yet it's hard to access and it's often illiquid. Deep Sky turns property into digital shares that can be discovered, priced, and traded with live data attached. For investors, this means clear market signals and improved access. For builders and regulators, it shows how compliance first design can bring real world assets to market responsibly. For the Innovator Hub, it validates a community led model that takes an idea from proposal to product within our ecosystem. How good is that? Now, about our Innovator Hub, we are the first crypto revenue share incubator owned by its community. You can submit your idea, it gets reviewed and interviewed. The community then votes gasless and Messier built it, and the innovator earns 30% of net revenue once live. I'm telling you all this because round two will kick off next week, October 4th. We're on the hunt for the next wave of Web3 breakthroughs. So if you have a bold idea in DeFi, NFTs, tokenized real world assets, or something that the space has not seen yet, then pitch it to us because we will build it. And backed by our ecosystem, you can earn 30% of the revenue. So let's create what's next together. This week, we welcomed FixMe AI as a liquidity partner on our P2P exchange. FixMe AI is an innovative platform that merges artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to help users build better habits and live healthier lives. It offers a personal AI coach, life assessments, AI powered strategy, custom action plans, and succeed and earn. With the mission of progress, not perfection, FixMe AI delivers personalized goals, continuous motivation, and tokenized rewards for achieving milestones. And just like that, that's a wrap up for this week's update. Please get ready to submit your ideas into our Innovator Hub round two. I also want to invite you to follow us on X, come and have a chat with us in our Telegram group, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, everyone. Have a great week, and I will see you all again next week. Take care.